Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the MAXIFS function in Excel to find the maximum date per vehicle from a list of data. This is especially helpful when you want to analyze data like service records or order history. Let's dive right in. In my screen, I have a simple data set with three columns: order date, vehicle number, and max date. The order date represents when a particular order or service was placed, and the vehicle number column shows how which vehicle is the order is for. In the max date column, we will use a formula to get the latest order date for each vehicle. So, to get the latest order date for each vehicle number, we will use the MAXIFS function. These functions allow you to find the maximum value based on one or more criteria. So here we will write the formula. Click on the first cell under the max date column. For example, this is C2 cell number, and type the following formula. And the formula will be max ifs, and we'll select this. First of all, this criteria, this, and this will be our max range of order date, and then comma, and we will select this vehicle number range. This will be our criteria range, and then comma, and our criteria will be vehicle number, and close the parenthesis. And here we go. Here we have referred the order date column where we want to find the maximum value, and the B refers to the vehicle number column which contains the criteria we want to match, and this B2 is the current vehicle number in the row we are evaluating. I just press enter, and this is our max date. I will go to home and change the format of sort date, and you can see once we have entered the formula, and we can drag it, just drag it down, and here we go. This Excel will automatically adjust the row reference, and you will get the latest order date for each vehicle. So as you can see, the max date column now shows the most recent order date for each vehicle. For example, for vehicle BHA CHA 001 is the latest is October 24. You can see this is the latest date for 24, and for vehicle this batch of 002 is October 3. So you can see the latest date is October 3, this line. So, and that's it. We successfully use the MAXIFS function to find the latest date for each vehicle in our data set. This is a powerful Excel tool you can use in various real scenarios. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.